While pharmacies sell expensive medicines with side effects to relieve gas and bloating, 3 simple ingredients from your kitchen can solve this problem naturally and effectively. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a powerful recipe that has helped thousands of people find relief from digestive problems without resorting to manufactured medications. This homemade syrup combines the properties of mint, fennel, and ginger, 3 treasures of nature with proven properties, to improve digestion and reduce abdominal discomfort. If you're tired of feeling bloated after meals or waking up with a distended abdomen, this video is especially for you. Before revealing the recipe, it's important for us to understand why digestive problems become more frequent as we get older. After the age of 50, our body goes through natural changes that directly affect the digestive system. The production of digestive enzymes gradually decreases, the peristaltic movements of the intestines slow down, and the gut microbiota undergoes significant changes. In addition, the stress accumulated over the years affects digestive health, not to mention that medications commonly used at this age can cause side effects in the digestive system. These natural changes explain why so many mature people face challenges such as excessive gas, abdominal bloating, and discomfort after meals. But here's the good news. Nature offers us powerful alternatives to strengthen our digestion without relying on the conventional medical system. Let's discover the power of each of the ingredients in this syrup. Mint contains a compound that relaxes the muscles of the digestive tract, reducing spasms and allowing gas to pass more easily. A study published in the Journal of Gastroenterology showed that peppermint oil significantly reduced the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, including bloating and flatulence, in 75% of the participants. In addition, peppermint stimulates bile production, helping with the digestion of fats. Fennel, on the other hand, is rich in anethol, a compound that has carminative properties. This means it helps expel accumulated gases from the digestive system. Research conducted by the University of Traditional Chinese Medicine has documented that fennel reduces gas formation in the intestines and relieves cramps. A study published in the journal Phytotherapy Research showed that fennel teas reduced abdominal bloating in 80% of participants after 2 weeks of use. The third ingredient, ginger, contains gingerols and shogaols, compounds that speed up emptying. They also stimulate digestion. According to research from the University of Michigan, ginger also has an anti-inflammatory effect on the digestive tract, reducing swelling and pain. A study with 126 participants showed that regular consumption of ginger reduced intestinal transit time by 25%, significantly reducing the feeling of fullness and bloating. When combined, these 3 ingredients create a powerful synergy that acts on different aspects of the digestive system, providing comprehensive relief for gas and bloating. And the best part is that you can prepare this natural remedy at home yourself with affordable and low-cost ingredients. Now, let's get to the recipe for this powerful digestive syrup. Write down the ingredients. You will need 3 sprigs of fresh mint, about 20 grams, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, about 30 grams a piece of fresh ginger, about 40 grams, and 1 liter of filtered water. And if you want to sweeten it, 3 tablespoons of pure honey, although this is optional. The preparation is quite simple. Start by washing the mint and ginger thoroughly. Then peel the ginger and cut it into thin slices. In a pot, add the water and place it over medium heat. When it starts to boil, add the ginger and fennel seeds. Reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for 15 minutes with the pot partially covered. Then, turn off the heat, add the mint sprigs and stir. Cover the pot. Let it steep for another 10 minutes. Finally, strain the mixture using a fine sieve. If you wish, add the honey when the liquid is warm, never hot, to preserve the properties of the honey. Transfer it to a glass container with a lid. For best results, a specific usage protocol is recommended. Take a quarter cup, approximately 60 milliliters,
Litros do xarope.
minutes before the main meals. For intensive treatment, take the syrup 3 times a day for 15 consecutive days. Then, for maintenance, you can reduce it to once a day, preferably before dinner. Store the syrup in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. After this period, it's better to prepare a new batch to ensure the effectiveness of the ingredients. It's important to mention that this syrup should not replace a balanced diet and regular physical activity, which are essential for good digestion. It works as a powerful supplement for those who want to improve their digestive health naturally. In addition to fighting gas and bloating, this natural syrup provides other important health benefits, especially for people over 50 years old. Ginger, for example, is known for stimulating circulation, which benefits not only digestion but also cardiovascular health. All 3 ingredients have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce chronic inflammation in the body, which is very common as we age. Mint and ginger are rich in antioxidants. They are rich in antioxidants, which strengthen the body's natural defenses, something particularly important as we age, and our immune system naturally weakens. Another notable benefit is the relief of nausea and sickness, which is particularly useful for those who suffer from morning sickness or nausea caused by medication, a common situation among older people who take various medications. Mint and fennel have relaxing properties that can help reduce stress, a factor that often worsens digestive problems. We also can't forget that studies indicate ginger can help regulate blood sugar levels, an important benefit for people who are predisposed to diabetes, a condition that becomes more common after the age of 50. Although it's natural, this syrup may not be suitable for everyone, so it's important to consider some precautions. People with acid reflux or hiatal hernia should consult a healthcare professional before regularly consuming products with mint, as it can relax the esophageal sphincter. Those who use anticoagulants should be cautious with regular ginger consumption, as it can enhance the effects of these medications. Individuals with gallstones should consult a doctor before using fennel regularly. If you are taking medication for high blood pressure, diabetes, or heart problems, talk to your doctor before incorporating this syrup into your routine. If you notice any adverse reaction after consumption, stop using it and seek professional guidance. To maximize the benefits of this syrup, it is recommended to incorporate some habits that promote good digestion. Mindful chewing, for example, is essential. Try to chew each bite at least 20 times before swallowing. This makes the digestive system's job easier and prevents excessive air intake, reducing gas formation. Proper hydration is also essential. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, preferably between meals, not during them, so you don't dilute the digestive juices. A simple but very effective practice is to take light walks after meals. A walk of just 10 to 15 minutes after lunch or dinner stimulates digestion. A walk of just 10 to 15 minutes after lunch or dinner stimulates digestion and reduces gas formation. Another valuable tip is to avoid problematic food combinations. Fruits with starch, proteins with sugars, and an excess of fermentable foods in the same meal can increase gas production. Try simplifying your meals. And watch the comment, friends, and if it's our end, consider incorporating naturally fermented foods into your diet, such as kefir, plain yogurt, and sauerkraut. These foods provide beneficial probiotics for the gut flora, strengthening the entire digestive system and improving your ability to process food without producing excess gas. Traditional wisdom, now supported by science, shows us that effective solutions for many of our health problems may be closer than we think. This syrup, made from mint, fennel, and ginger, represents a natural and accessible approach to fighting gas and bloating, two discomforts that are so common after the age of 50. By choosing natural alternatives like this, you not only treat the symptoms, but also strengthen your body from the inside out, promoting more sustainable health and independence from the conventional medical system. You also regain control over your well-being by using what nature wisely offers us. Remember, our health is our responsibility, and knowing the healing power of plants is an important step to gaining more resources, autonomy, and well-being. Little by little, you can build a repertoire of natural solutions for various common discomforts, reducing your dependence on manufactured medications and their long-term consequences. If you like this recipe, don't forget to leave a like, share it with those who need this information, and subscribe to the channel for more content about natural and preventive health. See you in the next video.